Hi everyone. You can't have everything you want in this world, but you can still influence other people's thoughts in several ways. Through psychological tricks, you can get the person in front of you to give you what you want. 7 powerful psychology tricks you could use to influence people. How to influence the other person's mind is an art that can help you control someone's emotions and decisions. Using psychological tricks to influence the other person's mind is much better and more respectful because it doesn't have the potential to harm other people in dirty or fraudulent ways to follow our wishes. So what can you do to influence people's minds psychologically? Here are the tricks you can do. But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released. 1. Make the other person you talk to feel awkward. Ask the person you're talking to, and if they only reply to part of the question, then keep quiet and maintain eye contact with them. This will make them feel awkward and will encourage your friend to become uncomfortable. Eventually they may decide to spill everything to you. 2. Create a choice illusion. When you want someone talking with you to do something, ask them to do a more difficult task before notifying the initial request. After turning down the bigger things, everyone will tend to take requests that seem easier. This can also work while you're trying to persuade someone. At that time, give him or her 2 choices. A thing that you ask or want, and another task that's more difficult to accomplish. That way your true request will appear simpler and harder to refuse. 3. Set the speaking rate when talking with the other. It is also one of the most important psychology tricks. The speed of speech technique is very important to get someone to follow your request. The rate at which you speak allows you to dominate the conversation and allows your desires to be complied with. Meanwhile, if someone agrees with you in an argument, speak at a slower pace. That way, you will allow them to understand the message that comes out of your mouth. 4. Say his or her name in conversation. Names are an important part of human existence, and if someone hears his or her name, they'll pay more attention to the other person. Another effect is that they'll also feel appreciated, which makes it a little easier to comply with your requests. Therefore, make an effort to say their name when the two of you are chatting. 5. Give compliments to someone talking with you. Praising or flattering other people will raise their level of positive emotions. We'll be able to control their feelings that way. By showing the other person how valuable they are to you, you just increase your self-worth and motivate them at the same time. 6. Use body language to get people to like you. If you want the other person to remember you, make use of your body language. We can imitate someone's sitting and speaking style to make them like us. They probably won't see us copying their attitudes and behaviour. Instead, they might be interested in us because they think we are people of the same interest as them. 7. Widening your knowledge. Improving your speaking ability requires extensive insight into many things. Talking with the aim of convincing and influencing someone has the potential that people might argue with you, which is why you must have extensive knowledge to be able to influence the mind of the other person and convince them. We don't aim to be the know-it-all here, but if we want to convince others, at least we have to be knowledgeable in that area. So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.